Carbon tetraiodide Lewis structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron, iodine has 7 valence electron. Multiply this 7 by 4 because iodine has 4 atoms. So 4 plus 7 times 4, 28. 32 valence electron totally in carbon tetrafluoride. In carbon tetrafluoride, carbon is the central atom because it is least electronegative. This 32 electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy the octet of outer atom first, then central atom. So for connecting, use just 2 dot 4 6 8. Now satisfy the octet of outer atom 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24 26 28 30 32. So 32 valence electron we have used. Now check for octet. Octet, 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 octet. Okay. You can replace this bonding pair by a line or dash. Thanks for watching.